Welcome back to the channel. As always, if you like what you see, you want to see more, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the video. Today I've got my first Poptopia mystery box that I've ordered. Came in probably about a week ago and I didn't get a chance to do anything with it yet. Can't remember exactly how many of these I got, but let's go on and open it up and see what happens. First thing I can say is Poptopia uses a lot of tape, which isn't bad, right? Alright, and I don't know if these are boxed or wrapped. I kind of think they're just wrapped. I'm going to move this down so I got some room. Grab the first one, and I am not seeing pops, I'm seeing pig pens, which is not what I was expecting at all. I don't remember that being part of the deal. But we'll set there as the one victim money, read some more big things. And I would have won that bet. So keep going. Pull this one out. We got a Chucky Child's Play. It's gonna be a 10-inch figure. It's not bad. It's kind of cool looking. It's kind of scary considering it's about the same size as what Chucky would be. Okay, I got this next one I got Stanley Hudson, GameStop exclusive. And I got a Game of Rick, where he's wearing like the VR thing. It's GameStop exclusive. Alright. Kind of curious how this all works because I just don't remember the fake pins being part of it at all. I thought it was 10 pops, which also I'm looking 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's looking like it had 10, so maybe the big pens just were thrown in there for some reason. Go with that. Next one is a Haunted Mansion Chase variant of Alexander Vitrikov. I've actually seen that one before. Let's see if that's worth anything or not. Then we got Wiz from Sawyer. There we go. Let's see where we're at with that one. Next to, if you hear that rumbling around, that's my cat thinking that he's hit the jackpot because there's paper on the floor. There's something else. This one's Persona 5, which I've never heard of. It's Fox. Just also kind of a cool pop. I don't know what it actually is, but it looks cool. And then from Haunted Mansion we got Constance Hatchaway. Looks like it's just a common because there's no sticker on it or nothing. So I'm not real sure on the Haunted Mansion ones if they're something special or not. Just looking at that Chucky, and it's got tape over the whole window. I don't know if that's damaged, if that's the way those 10-inch ones are. I haven't actually gotten a 10-inch one yet. And we once again got the Bill Murray from Zombieland, which isn't a chase, but I'm not hating on it because I like me some Bill Murray. He's one of the best characters of that movie, and I can't complain about getting a pop based on him. Next one is a Alien remix. We got Joy. Not really sure what that's worth. But it says sprinkled special issues on there, so hopefully it's worth something. Last one in here, bigger one. Betting it's a 6-inch or like a movie Moments one, judging by size. We've got a tracker bug, or a tinker bug, from Starship Troopers. I didn't know they had Starship Troopers Funko Pops. So let's see what these are worth. We'll start with the tanker bug just because I'm curious. I'll be using the Funko app just because that's the easiest thing to do. Tanker bug's worth 42 bucks. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I spent like 10 to 15 bucks per box on these. So the first one looking up being 42 is not a bad deal at all. Next one is the Fox, the Persona 5. Worth 15 bucks. And we got Bill Murray. It's worth 10. And also, all these have came in stop protectors, so that's not a bad deal at all, because those things, they're not super expensive, but they ain't super cheap, you know. So then we got the Honda matching Constance Hashaway. Worth 9 bucks. Let's go ahead and get this big Chucky out of the way. That way I got more room on this table. Worth 50 bucks. Can't complain on that at all. Keep that one to the side. Let's go ahead and check out this Soy Eater Wiz. I'm not really sure what that's from. 4 bucks, so it ain't nothing too special. The Rick and Morty Gamer Rick. It's for 12 bucks. Stanley Hudson, the GameStop exclusive. It's worth 13. It's not a bad deal. Okay, let's check out this Alexander Nitrikov Chase one. It's worth 50 bucks. Cannot complain at all on that. Then the Joy. It's for 20. Just for shits and giggles, let me see if these fig pins pop up, because I didn't know these were going to be in there. That one's nothing. I'm kind of assuming these are not necessarily Funko deals. These are whoever's selling them, but they're pretty cool looking. And the ones I'm looking at, anyways. So I'm just trying to figure out what those are worth and put them on the eBay store. But as far as I'm looking at it, my first Poptopia box, I cannot complain at all. I'm very happy camper with that. As always, I'll put a link to the eBay store down in the description. If there's anything you want to see, or that you did see that you want to buy, it'll end up there eventually if it's not there. I haven't posted it yet, or it's gold, one of the two. Other than that, I can't think of nothing. Have a good one. Thank you.